Hi guys, in front of me is TECNO Pova 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message. Here you've got your keyboard. To change it, to change the letters, obviously, tap on settings icon, then select languages, click on add keyboard, and now you can smoothly manage your keyboard language. Just pick the language that you want to apply. If you don't want to scroll all the way down, you can use the search button and enter the language that you want to use. Let me pick Arabic. Tap on done. And now when you want to remove unnecessary language, just tap on edit icon, mark the language to delete, select bin again. Now you can go back and you'll have one new language only. Here it is. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.